Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is V and this is Victory Vibes. I thank you so much for tuning in today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some items from Sincere Sally. I actually am a part of the affiliate program with this company. It's an Australian based company, jewelry company, and I was really in the market of getting some gold jewelry, and I just so happened to say I'm new to influencing, so I reached out to them. I saw the advertisement that they needed affiliates, and I was like, might as well shoot my shot, and here we are today. I picked out a few items and I'm just going to unbox them. It comes like this. I did already like open the packaging. You know, simple packaging. It says special delivery for you, and it has its at name, Sincere Sally Boutique, and it says putting the eco in e-commerce, and it says designed in Australia. So let's get into this video. If you're interested, don't forget to hit the like button down there, hit the subscribe button, and also the notification button so you will know when I upload. Now let's get into this video, y'all. All right guys, so let's get into the unboxing. This is how it comes. Really simple, very chic, sleek packaging. Hope you can see that. This is how it came. They had a special this week that I was actually ordering of getting a jewelry case, and it says you're amazing. You get like a free jewelry case like when you spend like $99. And yeah, so I got the jewelry case, which I think is so cute. It has a little heart here, little heart detailing, and I really needed this because I have kids and I have girls at that, and they just love me in my jewelry. I don't understand them, but yeah, it has place for your rings, your earrings, necklaces, and all of that. And it has Sincere Sally embossed at the top. It's really, really nice. And it's really good for travel too. That's why I like it. But let's get to the good part, y'all. I love me some jewelry. So it gives you like jewelry care and also a thanks for purchase. And it also gave me an additional buy one get one free, which I am excited about because I want to get earrings next. I'm looking for some really, really good hoop earrings, big hoops, big gold hoops. Y'all, I have purchased gold hoops from everywhere, and I'm looking for some really good ones. So I'm going to be using that, and I'll do a update on the jewelry and everything. So this is the care card and also a thank you. And yeah, so gave me a little code. And because I am an affiliate, I do have a discount code. You can get 15% off when you use my code, and I'm going to put it right here so that I can ensure that it's correct. So I was gonna say the code, but yeah. So, and all the jewelry comes in these nice velvety little pouches, and it says, I love the gold writing, but I'm really biased when it comes to gold, but it says Sincere Sally on it. Very sleek, and I love that. And they also have like little button closures, which I absolutely love. And this is the necklace that I purchased. I'm actually going to put the name of the necklace right here as well. Look how pretty that is. Look how beautiful. I love this. I love even I love how it's like the Cuban link style, and then it has it switches styles. I like that. And then also another one. I ordered like a wild card. Oh, this is the wild card actually, and it's a nice little dainty butterfly necklace, which I absolutely love. And it's really, really long too. I love that. And then the final item that I got, this is actually a bracelet. Oh, and it came off of the packaging a little, but that's okay. And all of the names I'm going to have in the description along with that coupon code. But look how cute this is. I love it, love it, love it. Really cute. And again, I do think I'm going to keep these like for travel and also use my jewelry pouch. But I'm also going to show you guys every necklace while it's on. So all right, guys, I thank you so much for tuning into this video. Again, my name is V and this is Victory Vibes. Please hit the subscribe button and that push notification button so you'll know when I upload. And if you're interested in any of the products that were highlighted or seeing even more product that Sincere Sally carries, the link will be down in the description box along with my coupon code so that you can not only look at the fabulous jewelry but also save some money. And remember that you are loved, you're important, and God sees you. And if you ever feel as though your life isn't worth living, I do have some resources down in the description box. Be blessed, and I love you.